Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup with Time with Julia. In today's video, I created this eye look today, and the palette I use is actually this LaRoc. This is the palette I use to create this look, and you know, as usual, add a little bit of glitter and a little bit of this. You must have seen this on my video. So guys, if you want to know how I created this look, how I put everything together, just keep watching and I will see you on the other side. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel. I release video every week, Sunday every week, 5 p.m. UK time every Sunday. All right guys, let's get started. Okay, so this is the palette I am going to use. Never mind my voice, I'm full of cold, I guess. I don't know. So I'm just going to prime my eye with P. Louise base. Okay. Then I will just quickly dab this down. The P. Louise base. Just dapping it down. I hope you are doing well, guys. I hope you guys are keeping well. So the first shade I'll go in with is called Jelly Bean. Just gonna dab Jelly Bean all over my lid. I'll fast forward you in a minute, guys. Okie dokie. Then the next shade is called Mango Smoothie. It's like yellow. It's yellow shade. So I'll use that one to just blend my brow bone area. Then I go back in with that same brush. I just want to dip that Jelly Bean, that red. I really like this shade. So gorgeous. I want to make it be intense. Okay. Once that is done, I'll cut my crease now. I'm using the new Revolution concealer because it dried down so quick. I like using it lately. The concealer is really good, and I made a full video about this concealer. So if you want to check that video out, you can check that video out. So I'm just cutting my crease now with concealer. You guys know by now cutting crease is a mess. It's a mess. I'm still cutting it, and now I'm using a very little precise, brush, like a lip brush. So I am applying this shade called Orange Soda. No, sorry, not Orange Soda, Filthy Rich. It's a shimmer shade. I will apply Filthy Rich all over my core crease. I know I'm not going to be satisfied with this shade, definitely. So I'm still applying the Filthy Rich shade. I'm still applying that same shade. Once I've done that, the next shade I'm going to apply is called Frosted Grapefruit. Frosted Grapefruit. That is the shade I'm applying as a shimmer. Then I'll go in with Glitter Fizz from Amazon, because I'm going to apply a bit of glitter. So yeah, here's the glitter. It's a bunch from Amazon. You must have seen it on my video as well. I just press the glitter down. Hooded eye, they don't get along with glitter at all. See that big line in between. So I'm still applying the glitter now. Then the next step, I will use my tattoo eyeliner gel from L'Oreal. This eyeliner, it dried down so quick and it stays on all day. It's really good. Then you must have seen this on my video. It's called the Glam Crystal from Collection. just want to like a double cut crease. So I apply a bit more on my inner corner area, well, close to my inner corner. This is from Revolution mascara. I'm doing my bottom lash now. I'm using Jelly Bean on my bottom lash. Once I've done with Jelly Bean, I'm still using Jelly Bean now anyway. Then the next shade that we move on to would be Mango Smoothie, that yellow shade. I'll use the shade to diffuse my under eye. Then the next shade that I'm using right now is called Mermaid on my inner corner. Then the lashes I'm using is Style Nat from Hours. Don't usually apply lashes on camera, but today I choose to do so. So the eyeliner I use is from Primark. It's white eyeliner. Doing the other eye of camera. Here is now the final look, guys. What do you guys think? I know I have not been putting video out lately because I have been really feeling down because of what is going on in the world. That has affected me in a very ridiculous way. But I have this video, about 3 or 4 video pre-filmed. You know, I just thought, you know what, let me get on with things and start editing video, guys. So yeah, let's just, like, I will call it carry on, Julia carry on and do makeup. That's what I'll call it. I hope you all like this look, guys. Zoom you in like tiny little bit. Here you are. I hope you all like this look. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, guys, and I hope to see you all very soon. Please stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you.